Unit 6, Database Management, Lesson Data Types. So we'll be talking about data types, page 307. So let's start. Let's say we have a database for a company in which all the information concerning its employees is stored in this database. For example, the names of its employees, like Jad, date of birth, address, phone number, answers on certain questions, and the income. Let's take another example. Here we have an employee named Sam. Born in 7/10/1990, living in the USA, Street 1. This is his phone number. And here's the answer of the question the company asked him, which is no, and his income, which is $800. These data are all inserted in the database using specific database. So these data are stored in the company's database using a specific type of database for each field. For example, for the name, the type of database used differs from the one used for the date of birth, for example. Let's see how. These are the types of data types used. To enter the name, they used data type text. So if we want to enter the name or address, we use data type text. However, to enter the date of birth or the day a person got employed, we use data type date, which consists of day, month, year. Another type of data type is number, used to enter the phone number. Also, we have data type Boolean, which is used only for two choices. For example, to answer yes or no, or true or false. And data type currency is used when entering a certain amount of money into the database. For example, $1,000 or $800. And this was about data types.